Hi everyone, I have some happy mail here from Teresa. Oh my gosh, she wrapped everything so cute, put so many extra little images everywhere. I'm gonna have to figure out how to cut them off and save them. So stinking cute, even down over here on the side everywhere, tons of little stickers. So let's open this up and see what she sent. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am like freaking out already. I get to see this as Jack Skellington. I can see this as Pop. I can't see what it is. I'm dying. I love it. I don't even know what it is yet, but I love it because A, it's Jack, and Pops, Sunny, and I collect those. So it is taped right here. Oh my gosh. I'm so in love. Oh my gosh. His little book clipboard has Jack on there. This is amazing. Look at his house over here. Oh my gosh. I am so surprised that it did not get beat up during shipping. It's amazing. You can actually see like the little moon and the hill in the background. I am obsessed. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you guys can see, but there are little pumpkins on like the doorstep there. Oh my gosh, the detail of this is so amazing. Okay, you guys, I didn't even open up her card yet. Like, her card's right here. I just saw Jack. I was like, I need to open. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm just like in awe of all the little details. I can't believe you sent this to me. I love it. Okay, let me open her card. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am dying inside. Okay, so first off, I was so excited to see her Hello Sunshine. Today's been a really hard day. It's been a bad day. So I really needed this Hello Sunshine. That's why I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I picked up her Happy Mail a couple days ago, but I didn't have time to open it. And I was like, I need to pick me up right now. So I'm so happy that I waited and saved it because this just really brought a smile to my face. And she says that she won this and she won it. She entered with me in mind. How crazy is that? I love how much you guys love Sunny and I. Just the card alone would have made me happy. Like I said, today was such a hard day. So I am so in love. I'm so grateful and thankful for all the amazing friends that I've made through YouTube. But she says they've had so much snow in PA. Oh my gosh, that is a whole lot of snow. And 2 of her pear trees came down. That is so sad. I am all about like fruit and living off the land. My aunt has pomegranate tree. And we pick the pomegranates every year. I help her juice it and then we can it into jelly. And I think I've told this story before where I didn't realize like some of the things I grew up doing that other people didn't do. Like I just assumed everybody did it, I guess, because I always grew up that way. So she has olive trees. You can, jar the olives. She has the pomegranate tree that we juice and we turn into jelly. We make cheese, which apparently is not normal. What else? Well, we make Italian. We're Italian. It's my Italian side of the family. I'm also Mexican. We make our pasta and our sauce all from scratch or bread from scratch. So it's funny because I just like assume people did things like this. So to say that her pear trees came down with all the snow, that makes me so sad because I have such beautiful and amazing memories with my aunt and her fruit trees and picking them and the oranges and figs. I candy figs too from her tree. I got candying figs from her. So we pull the figs and then we candy them. It takes several days. It's always during the summer when it's super hot and you need to bake them. And oh man, it's a whole process. But this year she didn't candy any figs. It was all on me this year, which was kind of sad because it was kind of like a test to like her getting older and just not, doing everything like she once did. So, yeah, your pear trees they're in my heart because I understand like how important things like that are, and they might have had like a special memory with them. She said that there's more in here. I didn't even notice because I just pulled out that Jack. So, oh my gosh, there is a box in here. Okay, now like I was saying, I was so amazed that the jack didn't get crushed and that the post office like didn't damage it. But look how crazy. I said that about the jack, and then look, her poor little box she sent me got so smushed and mutilated in the shipping. Oh, poor little box. Let's see. And it's funny, my aunt that I always talk about, that's 87, poinsettia flowers make me think of her. So I love this box. Hopefully I can just kind of, oh yeah, there you go. I can just like smoosh it back into place. So, oh look it, we have like a little vintage angel. Oh, I love her. Look at how cute. Oh, and I can hang her up. There is a little loop up here. Oh, I love things like this, like handmade stuff. You guys know my mom crochets, so all this stuff just like makes me think my family, my grandmother did, and my aunt sewed. I have dresses from when I was a little girl that my aunt sewed for me. So anything handmade always gets to me. My grandfather and his 3 brothers were all like woodworkers and had their own like wood shops and stuff, and I have pieces from all of them. So I just love anything that is handmade. Okay, these are amazing little bows. I'm gonna save these for Halloween next year. These are so cool, and they're double layered bows. Super nice. Let's see, we have a little box in here. Oh, there's some little ghosties and some hearts and oh, some little like peppermint wheels. This is great. I need these because I had just got some that were like too big. Some flowers, some ladybugs, some like little dewdrops, a bunch of like little candy slices. Oh, there's some like little wood hearts down here. Oh, there's Mickey heads in there. Yay, Mickey. Oh, what's this? Oh my gosh, it's Lady from Lady and the Tramp. I don't know what this is from. Like, if it's a toy piece or what it is, but love that. Like, she's gonna have to live on my desk. And then we just got like a bunch of like little pom-poms and beads. Oh, is this Tramp? Oh, no. Oh, what's his name? Oh, I can't think of his name. Oh man, drawing a total blank here, but love that. Okay, so they're gonna live together, and let's see. Oh, what's this? She made like a little bead person. Let's see. Oh, look at these. So they're earrings out of paper. I think I have this paper from Hobby Lobby. So I got little vintage Santa paper earrings. And this is cool. Oh, it's a pin. Oh, I like the little like crazy curly hair. It looks like my hair. Oh, the little like hearts. This is cool. And I love this bead right here. It's got floral in there. This is awesome. This is so cool. Okay, I want to pin it up somewhere where I can like see it. And then let's see, we have some like fabric. We got a little pill box with some washi tape that I need to save the washi tape on because that is super cool looking. Oh, these are beads. So they're little dice beads in there. Oh, these are beautiful. This is my favorite color right here, like a dark red like this. And then they're like a matte but kind of still shiny. Those are awesome. I don't know where those are from, but I love those. Ooh, some little like glass beads with flower print. You guys see that? Oh my gosh, I love me some jingle bells. I love anything that like makes noise. And then there's some little beads in here. I don't know if this is staying in focus or not. Bunch of like tiny little pearl beads. Some little flowers. Oh, no. And then some like crackle beads. Oh, I dropped one over here. I'll have to grab that in a minute. Oh, we got another little puppy. Put that together. Oh, pizza! Today's Wednesday that I'm opening this. Sunny boy, my poor Sunny boy got sick, so he did still get pizza Wednesday. So I'm sure that is for Sunny. And then we got this case over here. Oh, look at this little bear. Reminds me of the Coca-Cola bear. Got some charms. Oh, look, these are so cute. They look like little ornaments. I've seen these on Temu, and I've made some of these before in the past. Some little charms, and then a little angel. I love these. And some buttons. Oh, these are bigger beads right here. Those are like for like the bracelets. Super cute. Oh, look, I love this one. Super like long. Some little charms, some more little wood buttons, some little resin little charms there. Let's see. Got some little ephemera. Looks like vintage. I don't know if this is from Tim Holtz, but I love it. I love Tim Holtz. I hoard all his stuff. Are these stickers? I kind of feel like stickers. Oh, they are stickers. Ooh, where are these from then? I don't know if this is from Tim Holtz. Oh, maybe she printed it on sticker paper. Oh, maybe. Let's see. Oh, I like that little bow. And then some more little stickers. I think that's everything in here. Oh my gosh, you did way too much. That Jack little house. Oh my gosh, amazing. So me, so my vibe. Love it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are so amazing. I tell you guys don't know how much you guys truly brighten my day with just comments, emails, Instagram messages, a simple card. You guys totally come in and save the day when I'm having a bad day. And I just want to thank you guys so much. And we'll see you later. Bye, guys.